Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suez Tripathi. I'm a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I'm working as a legal intern with Lexis & Company. So today we are going to discuss the preamble of Indian Constitution. So the preamble of Constitution begins with the sentence "Be the people of India." So what does this mean? This means that that this Constitution has been granted to the people of India by the people of India, and the whole authority rests with the people of India. Then, having solemnly resolved to constitute the into into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So, the nature of the Indian Constitution, the nature of the state, which we expect from this Constitution, is the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. What does the sovereign mean? Sovereign means that no external authority can rule India. No external means that the government of China or the Great Britain cannot rule the India. The government will be made by the people of India through the representation. Then socialist means that the state shall carry on the welfare activities. Secular means the country has no religion of its own. All the religions are respected here. Then democratic and republic. Democratic means the government by the people, for the people, and to the people. Republic means that the leader is elected. The leader of the state has been is elected. Then and secure to all its citizens. So what all Indians what constitution wants to secure? Justice. Kinds of justice. What are the kinds of justice? Social, economic, and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In a constituent assembly, the 26th day of November 1949. This was the day when the constitution was completed, was enacted on 26th January 1950. To do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. So this was it. If you like my video, please do comment in the comment box and click on the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further updates, and click on the subscription button. Thank you.